Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2021 Infiniti QX80. This is a two-wheel drive version. This is the sensory trim level, the top of the line. It's about 86,000 MSRP. It's very nice, silver with the black interior. It's got the big wheels. Tires on this are like new. It's just serviced by Sewell Infiniti. Very clean. It's a non-smoker with a clean Carfax. We've got both keys and all of the manuals. This one's got all the driver assistance package items on it. The lane departure, lane warning, lane keeping, blind spot monitor, predictive collision warning. It's got the illuminated puddle lights also, Infiniti, when you open the doors at night. Got the DVD screens in the back. Go, two screens, middle row buckets. This is the 7-passenger. Really nice, the quilted leather comes on the sensory. These rear seats are heated. Of course, the Bose sound system. Look in here. It's got an adaptive cruise control as well. Heated steering wheel. Up front, you've got the ventilated seats. Ventilated and heated. Nav, camera, 360 camera. It's got the cameras for the rear view mirror. Of course, sunroof. It's very nice and clean, black wood trim. Currently sitting at 42,327 miles. Still under factory warranty as well, bumper to bumper, up until 50,000 miles. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond quickly. You can ship anywhere in the US. We can do remote deals, send you paperwork via email. We can deal with any bank that you choose for financing if you would need to finance. Go ahead and click and subscribe to our channel here. We've got a lot more cars that we're always adding to the inventory. And also you can check us out on our Instagram page. We post a lot more there. It's Rogers_motorcars. But give us a call, text. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.